Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed me yet, then please do subscribe so that you do not miss out my new videos. Thank you. So today I'm very excited to share you guys my first ever bike racing video. Well, it's a long story how I got into racing, but I'll make it short and crisp. I'm a graduate mechanical engineer, was working as an intern in a core mechanical company, planning for higher studies in a year or so. So during that time, I got selected for TVS One-Way Championship and I was searching for somebody who would help me with the techniques and etc. because I had no clue about racing. And one day I got introduced to this team called Cat Racing, which is in Mangalore, and I explained them how I got into TVS One-Way Championship and that how I do not own a bike or anything that's required except a helmet which is gifted by my friends, and they said they would help me out with arranging a bike and suggest me whatever is required, etc. And they did so, they helped me a lot. They said that I could come any day for practice, but since I was working, I said I could only come on Sundays. So then I spoke all these and I went back to work, and I don't know what happened that week. I realized that there is much more to do in life, so I left my job. I'm really thankful to my boss who understood me and who relieved me from the work without notice period. So that very weekend after leaving the job, there was a race in Thrissur and I took part in it. The team manager asked me if I was interested to take part in, and I was like, hell yeah, because one thing I wanted to experience, okay, I wanted to know what am I capable of. Also because I left my entire career, okay, for racing because I want to get into it and I want to give 100%, and this is how it went.
Some of the riders, this is the CROSS-2019 powered by Thrissur and fmsci. Okay, 2 lap 5 selection. Masters, please note 2 lap 5 selection. Apurva leading the track, and second position Aishwarya from dirtrace. Wonderful fight is going on. Leading the track, Apurva. Ambassadors get ready. Before the event, ആരും തന്നെ ട്രാക്കിലോട്ട് കയറി വരുത്. എല്ലാവരും മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. നിങ്ങളോട് വലിയ ദേഷ്യമായിട്ടൊന്നല്ല ഇവന്. Leading. Easy, Apurva, easy. Apurva, easy. Apurva leading. Apurva from Mangalore, Cat Racing. എല്ലാരും പറയുമ്പോൾ സ്പീഡല്ലേ, എല്ലാരും സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യോ പ്ലീസ്. ഒരു ലാപ്പ് ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഒരു 5 മിനിറ്റ് തികച്ചു വേണ്ട, പ്ലീസ് ഒന്ന് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യൂ. Apurva from Mangalore, Cat Racing. Congratulations, brother. You done a wonderful job with wonderful lead. Apurva from Mangalore. Come on.
So what I want to share from today's video is that if you want to achieve something in life, give your 100%. I know there will be ups and downs because it's life. You won't go to expect on the result, but give your 100%, work on your strengths and weaknesses. There will be at times when there is nobody around you, it's just you. But you have to support yourself, you have to self-motivate and stand strong, and that's how you can succeed. I would also take this opportunity to thank God for giving me enough opportunities, thank my parents for supporting me financially as well as morally, my family members, my friends, and especially cat racing, because if I wouldn't have got introduced to them, I don't think so I would have got into racing, or I don't think so I would have been in this level right now. Big thanks to Yogesh Anna, owner of Cat Racing, and also all my followers and viewers on Instagram and YouTube for supporting me. It really means a lot when I see likes and people commenting. I've just started my channel, I'm trying to get better and better, so please feel free to comment and share your views. So there are already people who have supported me, have suggested a few things on previous videos. I am working on it. Thank you guys. Also, lots of love and happiness to all those who are watching my videos right now. Have a great weekend. Meet you next Friday. Till then, enjoy. Stay home, stay safe. Also, I have shared my as well as Cat Racing Insta link in the description below. You can follow us on Instagram. Okay, bye.